In this tutorial, we'll be talking about how to add multiple screens into our app and navigate through them with buttons. So when we tap on a button, that should lead us to our second screen, our third screen, and possibly more. The first natural step is to add a button, and so in the bottom right, where we've searched for UI image view, UI label, now we're going to search for a button. So type in button here. And we have two buttons, one just called button, and one called bar button item. We'll talk about that in a future tutorial, but for now just drag a normal button into our app and center it, double click it, name it go to screen, so just double click, rename it, and now we need a second screen to go to. And so we do that by first deleting our search query and dragging in a view controller. A view controller is a screen, so you can think of it as having more view controllers, having more screens. And if you remember from previous tutorials, we linked elements of our app to the code with control dragging, right? We linked the two. We can do the same thing here. If we control drag from go to second screen, our button, to the second screen here, we see it highlights in blue, we'll let go, and we have options. The one we're interested in is called present modally. This basically gives us extra options such as transition, animations, and whatnot. So choose present modally. And you'll see if I spread this apart, that is a signifier, this here, that we have linked the two screens. Unfortunately, when we click on this button and we go to the second screen, there's really no way of getting back, and so we need to add a second button on our second screen. Makes sense, right? Drag it, center it, name it, go back, and control drag from this button now to the first screen. Let go, choose present modally, and now we have the two linked. When you run your app, you'll see we have our first screen, go to second screen. If we click on that button, we go to the second screen. And now we see go back. If we click on that, we go back to our first screen.